1 1979 Dodge 3/4-ton Club Cab Pickup, $3,000, Eagle, Idaho. This 1979 Dodge Club Cab is a rare find with a 360 V8 and manual transmission. The flatbed adds utility, and the truck is described as rust-free with working gauges and lights. The $3,000 price is a steal for a running and driving classic Dodge, especially with the included extra set of tires and wheels. This would be a great project or work truck for someone looking for a reliable classic. Two, 1975 GMC C10 short bed pickup, $6,800, Applegate, Oregon. This 1975 GMC C10 is a solid restoration project with a new 350 crate engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The 111,800 miles, odometer rolled over, and included replacement parts, floor pan, quarter panels, etc. Make it a great candidate for a full restoration. The $6,800 price is fair for a truck with a fresh engine and minimal rust. Three, 1975 Ford F350 Super Camper Special, $8,495, Rushford, Minnesota. This 1975 Ford F350 Super Camper Special is a heavy-duty classic with a 7.5-liter 460 V8 and C6 automatic transmission. The engine has less than 1,000 miles, and the truck is in good condition for its age. The $8,495 price is justified by its rarity and recent rubber, though the actual mileage is unknown. This would be a great option for someone needing a capable camper or work truck. Four, 1979 Chevy C10 short bed, $7,000, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1979 Chevy C10 is a stylish short bed pickup with a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The lowered stance, 18-inch boss wheels, and shaved doors give it a custom look, though the rattle can paint and non-functional door poppers suggest it needs some TLC. The $7,000 price is reasonable for a running and driving project truck with a clean title. Number 5, 1966 Chevy short bed fleet side, $8,200, San Diego, California. This 1966 Chevy Fleetside is a lifelong California truck with an inline-6 engine and 3-speed manual transmission. The new battery and fuel pump make it a reliable driver, though it needs some work for long trips. The $8,200 price is fair for a solid, rust-free California classic with original black plates. Six, 1965 Dodge 100, $2,900, Ephrata, Washington. This 1965 Dodge 100 is a rare find with a 318 poly engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The $20,900 price is a bargain for a running and driving classic Dodge, though the 1,000-mile odometer reading is likely rolled over. This would be a great project for someone looking for a vintage work truck. Number 7, 1976 K20, $8,900, Mission, British Columbia, Canada. This 1976 GMC K20 is a rugged 4x4 with a 292 inline-6 and 4-speed manual transmission. The 4-inch lift and new 35-inch tires make it a capable off-roader, though the rust in the bed is a drawback. The $8,900 price is fair for a running and driving classic GMC with some customization. 8, 1970 GMC 1-ton, $5,600, Turlock, California. This 1970 GMC 1-ton is a heavy-duty classic with a fresh motor and good transmission. The $5,600 price is reasonable for a running and driving truck, though the 92,000-mile odometer reading is likely rolled over. This would be a great work truck or restoration project. Number 9, 1972 GMC truck, $5,200, San Diego, California. This 1972 GMC 1500 Custom is an all-original truck with a 350 V8 and 3-speed manual transmission. The new tires, carburetor, and brakes make it a reliable driver, though the 43,000-mile odometer reading is likely rolled over. The $5,200 price is fair for a solid, rust-free classic GMC. $10, 1984 El Camino, $600, Stanwood, Washington. This 1984 El Camino Conquistador is a project vehicle with a 305 V8 and automatic transmission. The $600 price reflects its rough condition and non-running state, but it's a great deal for someone looking for a barn find project. The clean title and potential for a crate engine add value. $11, 1962 Ford F100, $900, Linden, Washington. This 1962 Ford F100 is a project truck with a 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission. The $900 price is a bargain for a classic Ford, though though the missing title and non-running condition make it a challenge. This would be a great project for someone with mechanical skills. (12) 1979 GMC Dually 2-Wubby Dive, $9,500, Aberdeen, South Dakota. This 1979 GMC C30 Sierra Classic is a rare dually with a numbers matching 454 V8 and 400 automatic transmission. The $9,500 price is justified by its condition and recent upgrades, though it's not perfect. This would be a great daily driver or restoration project for someone needing a heavy-duty classic.